Welcome to Orbis Mind, decoding the financial world so you can build the future you want. Today, we're breaking down how you can make your first £1,000 from investing, even if you're starting with just a few pounds a week. Let's be honest, the first 1,000 is the hardest. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about learning the game, the habits, the mindset, and the patience that will turn £1,000 into £10,000 and beyond. You don't need a lump sum to start. You just need consistency. If you invest £50 a month, that's $600 a year. Add in compounding growth and reinvested returns, and you're well on your way. Use platforms like Vanguard, Trading 212, or Free Trade to get started and avoid high fees. For beginners, simplicity wins. Start with index funds or ETFs, like the FTSE 100, S&P 500, or a global tracker. They spread your risk and track the overall market. If the world grows, your money grows. No stock picking, no day trading, no stress. Here's where it gets interesting. Let's say you invest £100 per month and earn 7% annually. In just 7 years, you will cross your first £1,000 in growth alone. That's not magic. That's compound interest doing the heavy lifting. Don't panic when markets drop. That's normal. Don't try to time the market. It doesn't work. And avoid get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Your best asset? Time in the market. Not timing the market. Making your first £1,000 is just the beginning. Once you see it works, you'll want to keep going. And with consistency, that snowball starts to roll. It's not about being lucky. It's about being disciplined. Thanks for watching Orbis Mind. If you learned something today, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's your biggest investing goal? New videos every week on finance, mindset, and decoding the modern world.